The Toma token is now on major exchanges. Look at it on Bitget, now trading at 0.4022. And my price prediction before listing was 0.401 and 0.405. That was my price prediction. What will this token do in 2025? So if you want to hold this token into 2025, what should be the price prediction? I'm going to give you my honest price prediction for the Toma token in 2025 if you are holding into the bull market. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've been following up on this channel, you discover I was talking about the price of Toma to be between 0.401 and 0.405. And that is what we should be looking at in 24 hours of listing. And that's the exact same thing we see right here. It was a very accurate price prediction. And if you've been following up right here, kudos to you. Congratulations, because you are on track. Okay, you are informed about what the market is going to do and you rightly position yourself. Look at what the market is doing right now. 0.402. That is the price right now. So is this market going to move upward, or we're going to see the market come back all the way to the downside? But before we get into this very technical analysis, if you look at where the listing start from, that was 0.501. And I believe it's not worst for a 1 trillion total supply token, okay? Because the supply is so much, the listing price will not be that very high. And not only that, the Toma token does not really have a utility. I don't think whether there is any good utility to drive this token all the way to the upside. And if you look at it right here, market moved from that 0.501 all the way to 0.408. And if you look at it, market is still going to move all the way to the upside because we are in the bull market. If you look at this very price level, I am expecting that the price should not drop below this very level right here of important support. Okay, we should expect the price to stay above this very level of important support, because if this market come down and break this level of important support, then just know that the market is going to move all the way to the downside. So expect the market to move upward, and for us to see a significant move all the way to the upside, we should break this level of important resistance. This resistance is very, very important in the market right now. Market should move upward and break this very resistance. Once we see a breakout of this resistance with this bullish candle coming out or any other candle, the market is going to move upward, and that will give another level of guarantee that this market will not come down below this very price. And this is my personal opinion. I am looking at, if the market move upward, break this resistance level right here, then market is going to continue this move all the way to the upside. But if we did not see that and market go below this level of support right here, then expect the market to come back down a little bit. And I'm going to update you guys on this very channel. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. The Toma token is still going to move upward in the heat of the bull market in 2025, especially for those of us that want to hold this token for long term. Maybe you staked or you are holding this token for long term. I can tell you that this token is going to still move upward, and I'm going to give you the exact price that you should be looking at in 2025 bull market, so that when price approach that level, you consider selling off this very token for profit. And this is what you need to keep your eye on right now. So pay attention to this level of support right here. If market go below it, then we're going to see a crash to the downside. And pay attention to this level of important resistance. If this market come upward and break out on this resistance, market is going to begin to move upward. This is what I am paying attention to right now, and this is very important to all of us holding this very token. One thing very important right here is, if you come to coinmarket, it discovered that the data for to market is not showing yet. So there is no market capitalization and the price is not showing as well. But something very important right here that we can work with is the total supply, max supply, and circulating supply. And if you've been following on this channel, you can agree with me that I was talking about a circulating supply of 77%. And that is almost exactly the same thing that happened right here. And if you look at it, the circulating supply is 739 billion. I was looking at 770 billion to be the initial circulating supply. And what we see right here is 739 billion, which means what I saw from on-chain data actually go in line with this very circulating supply. So with this, we can tell what the market cap is right now. So if you have 739 billion in circulation right now as the circulating supply, so 739 billion as circulating supply for this very token right now, and if you multiply it with the current market price of 0.4022, you discover that the market cap for Toma is $16 million. And we're going to see this reflect on CoinMarketCap in the next 48 hours. So $16 million market capitalization for Toma with a 739 billion circulating supply right now. And this is what I was looking at. If you've been paying attention to my video on Toma analysis, you discover I was looking at a market cap between $10 million and $50-60 million, and we should not go above $60 million between 24 hours of listing. And that is exact same thing we have right here, $16 million, okay, which is between the range I was expecting this price to be. So with this, we can tell what this very token is going to do in the future in 2025, so that we don't over expect from the token. Personally, this token is going to still move upward, but it's not going to move that much compared to other tokens that have utility. And this is my personal opinion. And like I said earlier, I'm not trying to bring down any project. My personal price prediction from what I am seeing on chain and technically is for this market to do 0.305, okay? So 0.305 in the heat of the bull market. That is, the market is going to climb up to $369 million and 0.307. Within this range, this is the range I am expecting this token to be in the heat of the bull market. Anything above 0.307 is over expectation for me. It can happen, okay? The possibility is there. It can happen. Anything can happen in crypto, but that is not what I am personally expecting right now. A price between 0.305 in the heat of the bull market and 0.307 is what you should be paying attention to right now. And that will give us a market capitalization between $300 million and $550 million for Toma token. And that is what you should be looking at right now. Don't over expect from the token. So what this means is, if you are holding this token into 2025, and if you get this token from airdrop, comment below in the comment section of this very video. The price you should be looking at selling off your token should be between 0.305 and 0.307, and that will give us that range of market capitalization that I've talked about earlier. And this is what you should be paying attention to right now. And also focus on the price chart right here, and I'll be updating you guys on the price chart as well as time goes on in the heat of the bull market, so that you know the accurate and exact time to sell off your token for profit. And if you want to sell off your airdrop token for profit right now, there is no problem, okay? You can sell off and collect profit. But if you leave it to 2025 in the heat of the bull market, you will benefit more, okay? The market is going to rise all the way to the upside, and that your little token is going to turn out to be very, very significant in 2025. And that is why I prefer holding this airdrop and web3 token into 2025, because the market is going to definitely move all the way to the upside in 2025. And this is very important to all of us that is watching this video right now. And if you are also holding the Toma token, personally, I don't think the Toma token is worth buying. If you don't get it from airdrop, don't buy it. And there are other tokens that you can consider buying right now if you want to buy a token into 2025 bull market. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you want to watch my video on Bloom airdrop, check this video right here. And if you want to watch my video on PAWS airdrop, you can join the link in the description. Check this video right here as well. Thanks for supporting this channel.